Do you want to generate AI images on Instagram? You can create AI image in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To generate AI images on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the messages screen, where you will see your recent chats. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type Meta AI. Select the official Meta AI chatbot from the search results to open the chat screen. In the message box at the bottom, type a prompt describing the image you want to create. You can type a prompt like, "Create an image of a dog running on the beach." Once your prompt is ready, tap the send button. Meta AI will generate the image based on your prompt and display it in the chat. You can tap the image to view it in full size, download it, or save it to your device gallery. Now you can continue generating AI images anytime directly from your Instagram chat with Meta AI.